Hi, teacher and classmates. Well, this is Siderman, and here we go. Here we go with the step one. So let's click on next. Mm-hmm. The questions, right? Question one, right? What's your name? Right. How do you spell your family name? Where are you from? Oh. So sorry. Listen to me. Are you working or studying at the moment? How interested are you in learning about other languages? How do you enjoy spending your free time? What's the best way to you improve your English? If you could learn a new skill, what could it be? Let's go with the feedback. Score. Audio. Alright, everyone, that's good. So answer more questions. Let's. 100 people visit. Over 400 people visit our library in last month. Right, here we go. Sports available between three. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Alright, here we go. Quickly. Can you choose for one question only from each topic area? Right, so candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Right, here we go. All students have to register with Mr. All new students have to be registered by Mr. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave classroom. Almost. So, what type of company do the majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Right, almost there, almost get it. Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory. Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Almost. Go. And we agree that we continue use of vehicles will resolve. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Feedback. Here we go. Alright, go. Go. Alright, that's good. Oh, well, it's taking more than normal. Alright, so really good. Thank you, teacher. Classmates, so this was the step one. Thank you.